Hello children. How are you today? I am a storyteller. Today I take a new humorous and funny story in English with moral. Small village nestled between rolling hills and lush green fields, there lived a family of 7 brothers and 1 sister. Their parents had passed away when they were very young, leaving them to fend for themselves. Despite the challenges, they remained united and looked out for each other. The eldest brother, Adam, took on the responsibility of caring for his siblings. He worked tirelessly in the fields, toiling under the hot sun to provide for his family. Each day, he would rise before dawn and return home long after sunset, his hands calloused and his back weary from the day's labor. Next in line was Benjamin, who possessed a gentle soul and a talent for storytelling. He would entertain his siblings with tales of adventure and magic, transporting them to faraway lands where anything was possible. Benjamin's stories filled their humble home with laughter and joy, momentarily easing the burden of their difficult lives. Jacob, the third brother, was skilled in the art of woodworking. With his nimble fingers and keen eye for detail, he crafted beautiful furniture and intricate carvings that he sold in the nearby market. His creations adorned their home, adding a touch of warmth and elegance to their modest surroundings. Then there was David, the fourth brother, who had a passion for music. He could often be found strumming his guitar or singing soulful melodies that echoed through the village streets. David's music had a magical quality that lifted the spirits of all who heard it, bringing comfort and solace to those in need. Daniel, the fifth brother, was the family's caretaker, always ready to lend a helping hand to anyone in need. Whether it was fixing a leaky roof or tending to a sick neighbor, Daniel never hesitated to offer his assistance. His kindness and generosity endeared him to all who knew him. Joseph, the sixth brother, possessed a curious mind and a thirst for knowledge. He spent his days buried in books, eager to learn about the world beyond their village. Joseph dreamed of exploring distant lands and discovering new wonders, fueled by his insatiable curiosity. The youngest brother, Matthew, was a dreamer with a boundless imagination. He would spend hours lost in his own thoughts, envisioning grand adventures and daring escapades. Matthew's enthusiasm was infectious, inspiring his siblings to embrace life's endless possibilities. And finally, there was Sarah, the sister who held the family together with her unwavering love and strength. Despite being outnumbered by her brothers, Sarah was the heart and soul of their family, the glue that kept them united through thick and thin. Together, the 8 siblings faced life's challenges with courage and resilience, drawing strength from each other's love and support. They may not have had much in terms of material wealth, but they were rich in the bonds of family and the simple joys of life. As the years passed, the siblings grew and flourished, each finding their own path in life. Adam married a kind-hearted woman from the neighboring village and started a family of his own, passing down the values of hard work and perseverance that he had learned from his parents. Benjamin's storytelling skills earned him fame and recognition far beyond the borders of their village. He traveled the world, captivating audiences with his enchanting tales and inspiring others to believe in the power of imagination. Jacob's woodworking talents caught the eye of a master craftsman, who took him under his wing and taught him the secrets of his trade. Jacob's craftsmanship became renowned throughout the land, with nobles and commoners alike clamoring to own one of his exquisite pieces. David's music touched the hearts of hearts of people from all walks of life, earning him accolades and praise wherever he went. He composed symphonies that stirred the soul and brought tears to the eyes of those who listened, leaving a legacy that would endure for generations to come. Daniel's acts of kindness and compassion earned him the title of the village's beloved caretaker. He became a pillar of the community, always ready to lend a helping hand to those in need, and his selfless deeds inspired others to follow in his footsteps. Joseph's thirst for knowledge led him on a journey of discovery that took him to the far corners of the earth. He studied with scholars and sages, unlocking the mysteries of the universe and sharing his wisdom with all who would listen. Matthew's boundless imagination led him on countless adventures, both real and imagined. He traveled to distant lands and embarked on daring quests, always seeking new experiences and embracing life's endless possibilities. And Sarah, dear Sarah, remained the anchor that held their family together through it all. She watched with pride as her brothers pursued their dreams and achieved greatness, knowing that their bond as siblings would never be broken. And so, the tale of the 7 brothers and 1 sister came to be known far and wide as a testament to the power of love, family, and the indomitable human spirit. Though they may have started with humble beginnings, they proved that with courage, determination, and a little bit of magic, anything is possible. Thank you for watching this story. If you liked this story, then please subscribe so that you can get the new series of our upcoming stories from time to time. Thank you. Have a nice day.